channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. For this makeup look, I created this what I call cool hues makeup look. I got some purples, I got some blues, I got a hint of neon or bright colors under my lids, and I use two palettes. So I use mostly the Shany Cosmetics palette, but I also delved into the Profusion Festival palette as well. If you'd like to see the process behind this makeup look, please keep watching. I've already primed my lids using the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Honey. I can tell you this stuff does wonders, and this is another concealer holy grail that I usually use for my foundation routine during filming and or when I am going out and about town. In the next few clips, you're going to see the process as to how I got my eyeshadow to look like this on the side. About two things. First thing is I'm going to bling out my tear ducts like how I did on my left eye. I'm going to use an oldie but a goodie Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. So the shade I will be using is this greenish yellowish shade, and it is called Helia or Helia. Either way you pronounce it, I'm unsure. It looks green in the package, but then when I put it on, it's like a yellow green, which is perfect for this makeup look. So there's that. And then the second thing is I want to talk to you about my lashes for today. So the lashes I will be wearing is this Mink 3D hair, and this is in 3DW13. This is my first time wearing these lashes, but that's what I'm going to be doing in the next clips, and I'll be right back at you with the lips. Now moving on to my lips, and I'm gonna go for more of a glossy lip look for for this makeup look. For the lip pencil, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade CORK, which I haven't used this in a minute. Followed by me going in with this matte cream sheen lipstick in the shade Japanese Maple. That's another long time no use situation. And then to top it all off, I'm going to use my Tarte Cosmetics H2O gloss, and this is in the shade Tiki Bar, which just came in a limited edition pack for Christmas last year or a couple Christmases ago. Don't remember, but yes. So this color is no longer available, but you can go with a clear gloss or find similar lip glosses to Tiki Bar. On my lip gloss. So Tiki Bar there's nothing in there. It is dry like a mug. So I had to dispose of that, but not in the garbage yet. I dispose of that in my makeup collection. So an alternative is this is by LA Colors, and this is their Shea Butter lip gloss. This is in the shade Baby Cakes. There's nothing on there, but it's like a peachy orange shade. It's very pigmented, so I'm going to put a little bit on and I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. That is all I have for now. And also to note that all products that I am using, they are in the description box below. So please be sure to check that out, so that no one's coming out of their house, especially with all that's going on. Just my suggestion is just to stay inside, stay safe from all that's going on. And also too, if you have any products that are similar to what I'm using, you can use that as well. Please be sure to check out the previous video in the section that is coming up next. I see you there. Bye.